Shopify has been very popular lately, and as well as having grown more than 100% within 6 months. So the question is, can they go further? Now, I like their financials, but it isn't something I really want to go into. I want to offer my own personal perspective and my own experience with Shopify. So where's the top of Shopify? How high can the stock actually go? It's really hard to see. And one of the things I'm considering is that there is a trend of online stores, and Shopify will be there to grab as many of those merchants, as many of those customers that move into going into online stores. So that's really good to see. Now, it looks like they're building their company very well. Shopify has no debt. They pay their employees very well, and their revenue sources are evenly split. So let's get through the financials first. Debt, non-existent. This is really great to see, especially in a growing company. They're growing rapidly and keeping up with the growth through revenue growth, and this is a positive sign. Next, R&D grew by 13 million, and 4 million of that was related to stock compensation and payroll taxes. So this is nice to see that they spend money on their employees. Now, one of the best points about their financials is that they have two primary streams of revenue: their subscription service and their merchant solutions. So merchant solutions is like the revenue from transaction fees and such, as well as their own Shopify Pay. And these revenue streams are both equally contributing to their overall revenue. Their subscription provides 49% of the revenue, while merchant solutions provide 51%. And this is great to see because they're not heavily dependent on either stream of revenue. Now, my own personal perspective on Shopify is that they're the go-to realtor of online stores. As online stores grow, Shopify will attract more and more merchants, and they will also attract customers. Now, this is double dipping into their revenue streams. With more merchants, they're making more from subscription fees, and then with more customers, they're making more off of merchant solutions. So this is also nice to see. Now, second, Shopify has a great platform that I actually used myself. I used it in 2014, and I was selling clothes online, and it helped me with mostly everything. It was really cheap at only $30 a month. I didn't have to do much work on the actual website to get it running. Now, if you compare this to the cost of buying a website, designing a website, getting your own traffic to the website, as well as developing, even a shopping cart for the website, this $30 a month was dirt cheap to it. And it was really easy for me to learn about Shopify's platform. So this is really good seeing. Now, lastly, from a merchant's standpoint, I could see the ease in using Shopify. So I think this is why Shopify is very valuable, because they save time. And just like how Amazon saves time with shipping anything to your door, Shopify saves you time by already providing you many of the tools that you need, and it proves to be a strong business model by saving time. One of the last points for them is that they have an affiliate program, and I actually went to their investor relations page to do this video, and I saw above it that they have an affiliate program. And I just did a video on it, and this is another avenue of it, so maybe I can use this to bring in more revenue to myself. So they can use this program to attract both customers and merchants, and I think this strengthens the business even more. So the question now is, do I want to own Shopify stock? Personally, I do not, and this is only because their net income is rather weak, or it just doesn't exist. They have had negative earnings per share, and they have had mostly the positive cash flow from sale purchase of stock, which they have actually used to invest. So that's really good seeing. But I like investing in companies with high net income and also high return on equity, and this is just what I personally look for in companies, which makes Shopify kind of out of that list. Now, I think Shopify will be a good investment once they can bring in positive net income, but right now I would consider Shopify higher risk. So that was the video. I hope you like it. Shopify is a really popular stock. I hope this goes over some of the important points. Also, comment below with a video topic idea that you may have, and maybe I'll plan it out and do a video on it.